Hello, I'm back and so is a new tutorial, so let's get started. I'm using 20 centimeters of 20 gauge bare brass wire, wrapping it around a wooden craft stick and proceeding to twisting it 3 or 4 times. I can't really remember. You can do less twists if you like. This is my special bead mix, Love and Light. And although not all the seed beads fit the 20 gauge wire, a lot of them do. Once I have all the beads on, I'm bending the wire using flat nose pliers and I'm careful not to break any of the glass beads. Time for some sparkly goodness. I have a lovely range of these premium Swarovski crystals and I actually set them myself into gold or silver plated settings. You can find them on my website helenadaydreamer.com. All the links will be in the description box. For this pink pendant, I'll go for the color rose in gold setting. I'm wrapping the wire around it and pushing them back at the same time. This will help the crystal to stay put. I'm crossing them too and finish with little spirals. Shaping the loop ready for the chain or perhaps an earring hook. First I'm gonna show you how it looks like as a necklace and then an earring, and later I'll tell you what else you can do. This second necklace slash pendant was done the same way, but this time I was using Lagoon bead mix and Lagoon crystal. I didn't even realize they had the same name. But this time I've decided to finish it in a slightly different way. I mean, it looked nice, but it was kind of too simple, and so I added 3 pieces of gold chain and later added a 4th one, which was the shortest of them all. I used gold jump rings to fit them onto the wires. And before the big reveal, I promised to give you some tips, so here they are. Since I was just curious what the pendants would look like as earrings, I simply twisted the loop of the earring hook to the side and then I attached the pendant onto it. But if you are thinking of making them as earrings, you could use a toothpick at the beginning to make the loop smaller and also facing the right way. Or if you don't like your earring too dangly, you could use something much bigger in diameter and make the loop at the beginning bigger. Then cut it, wrap the short part of wire around and make the rest into an earring hook. File it and voila, sorted! Now let's have a look at this beauty. And I made this last one especially for those of you who purchased the frozen jewelry making kit. And there were so many of you lovely people who did. Thank you. So again, I used 20 gauge wire and found beads that fitted the wire. And the crystal is the one and only Swarovski white patina. And there you have it. It's absolutely gorgeous. This time I wanted to see what it would look like with flat back crystals. You know me, I'm a sucker for sparkly thingies. So I used some blue tack and first attached these big ones that come in the kit, but they looked kind of hideous. They were just too big. And so I attached smaller crystals and these looked much better. I will probably stick them on later with some E6000. I hope you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!